buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer pork country style ribs with barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here a family pack of pork loin bone-in country style ribs, and I bought it at $2.99 per pound. Okay, let's open it up. We're just going to be using 4 pieces for today. We have here 4 pieces of country style rib. We're going to cut it in half so that it can fit better in the air fryer. There you go. That's a perfect spot to cut it. Okay, it's looking good, and now let's season the ribs. We're going to add some garlic salt. Turn them over real quick. There you go. Some onion powder. Flip them over again. There you go. Some paprika. Same thing, flip them over and just sprinkle it on. And lastly, some black pepper. Flip them over. And we're set. This is what it looks like before we put it in the air fryer. First thing what we're going to do is preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to set it to 400 degrees for preheat. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the ribs. But before we do that, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There you go. Now we're going to put in the ribs. There we go, we have all the ribs in. Let's put it in. Yeah, turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 30 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking really good. Now flip them over. There you go. We flip them all over. We're going to put it back in for the last 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 25 minutes so far. There's 5 minutes left. We're just going to add some barbecue sauce. We have here some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. We're just going to add some into a bowl. Just like that. Next, we're going to take the barbecue sauce and brush it on. After you brush it on, we're going to turn it over. Okay, we turned them all over. And now let's brush some more barbecue sauce. Looks like we need a little bit more barbecue sauce. There you go. Let's put it back in for the last 5 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer pork, country style ribs with barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.